Money can't buy happiness, but it can buy you this home, which builds generational wealth. Whether it's you or a tenant, imagine going from your front door to nearby conveniences in under 5 minutes. Hamilton Village is in the desired Richmond location with proximity to 22nd SkyTrain Station, Queensborough Landing, New Westminster, and quick highway access. With Walmart, Dollarama, Tim Hortons, Starbucks, Coast Capital, and future Costco Business Center all being steps away, checking off your to-do list has never been easier. If the location doesn't offer you everything you need, the inside will. Hamilton Village is the future of East Richmond. If you want to be a part of it, then contact me today.
Drink skinny margaritas, but the ass still fat.